Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I have got an exciting challenge for you. Can I show you 15 proven ways to make money using Canva that actually works? And along the way, I will teach you some features of Canva you might not know about. This is a challenge that I have set for myself today. And here is the kicker. This is going to be a packed session with actionable tips, reward examples, and some surprising statistics. So grab your notebook and let's get started. So the first one is generating quiz video. So let's start with something that is fun and super lucrative, which is quiz videos. So did you know that you can create simple niche quiz videos and that can lead to affiliate income? Here's how it works. So you search for quiz templates, you head over to Canva and search for quiz video templates, and you'll find tons of options ready to customize. You replace the graphics and add questions that are tailored to your niche. For example, you can target English learners or trivia enthusiasts or even hobbyists, right? And ask questions around that area. Then you share these videos on platforms like TikTok. For inspiration, you can check accounts like the English Quiz Master. They gained over 100,000 followers in just 2 months by creating simple, engaging quizzes. Then you add a link in your bio to affiliate courses or ebooks. So each link can earn you a commission. You can use ChatGPT to generate the niche-specific quiz question. It's quick, easy, and free. So the second thing you want to do with Canva is you can create and sell brand identity kits. Yes, so freelance graphic designers often overlook this profitable niche, but instead of selling low-cost logos, you can create and offer brand identity kits to businesses. So here's a hidden gem for freelance graphic designers. Brand identity kits, so like these kits will include the logo, brand font, and a color palette. So instead of competing in a saturated logo market, why not target high-value clients with these? So you can search the template on Canva for brand identity kits. So you can now use Canva's AI generated color palettes and upload an image that captures your client's desired aesthetic. And Canva will suggest matching colors based on your image. On Fiverr, these kits typically sell for $100 or more, and that's 10 times the price of a standalone logo. So for example, like freelancers targeting startups or small businesses often repeat clients by offering packages instead of one-off designs. You should try that as well. Number 3 is you can create list panes for Pinterest. So list panes are a Pinterest favorite and are highly effective for affiliate marketing on Pinterest. But why is that? Because they are visually engaging and they spark curiosity. So the first thing is to find a niche. So you want to search for trending topics like, for example, growing vegetables at home. Then you create a pin, or you create pins. So you can use Canva or to design your list pins with catchy titles like 10 vertical vegetables that love to climb. Then you can link the pin to a blog post which is filled with affiliate products. A real example is affiliate marketers like Anna Green has scaled Pinterest earnings to over 11,000 per month using this strategy. So our secret is basically reusable Canva templates for fast scaling. Number 4 is start a clothing store. One of my favorite ways to use Canva is for clothing design. It is easier than you think. So you want to choose a template, which is Canva's t-shirt templates, which can make designing a breeze. When you are done putting your designs together, you can upload to Printify. So Printify will create custom clothing, and you can list them on Etsy, eBay, or even your own Shopify store. Then you combine your design with trending quotes or graphics for a very unique appeal. Pinterest is a great platform that can promote your design. So it's where shoppers often browse for gift ideas. So this is a fantastic way to earn passive income, especially if you combine it with Canva's extensive design library. Then number 5 is you can generate quote videos. Quote videos are a hot trend on TikTok. You want to go look it out. It often gains massive views and income through TikTok creativity ad programs. So here's how to really cash in on it. You start by you find an inspiration. Then you search Tumblr for popular quotes, or you can use ChatGPT to create original ones. Then you go to Canva and choose a video template. Then you customize it with your quotes and add an AI voice over. The TikTok creativity ad programs pays close to 50 cents to $1 per 1,000 views. So a single viral video can earn you up to 500,000 and earn you about $500 plus dollars. For example, a basic Spider-Man quote video gained about 900,000 views, earning nearly 900, between 450 to 900 through ad payout. It's amazing. Number 6 is you can create printable wall hats using Canva. So digital wall art is a best-selling product on Etsy. Yes, so you can use Canva to create high-quality printable posters, and you can also use Canva to pick a template, whereby exploring the vast library of posters template that they have on Canva. Then you save your design as PDF for printing when you are done with your design. So this will ensure the vibrant colors and the crisp details in it. Then you can list your creations on Etsy. So sellers like Omi Printables have made $50,000 plus selling funny posters designs. Next is you can create and sell pitch deck presentations. So startups often need pitch decks to attract inventors. So you can use Canva's pitch deck template to create visually engaging presentations. You can utilize Canva and their built-in graphs and their chart generator to present your data creatively. So you can pitch deck with 10 to 15 slides. Typically sells for over $100 on platforms like Fiverr. So try it out. Number 8 idea that you can do with Canva is you can create and sell custom candles. Printify offers customizable candles as a print-on-demand product. So you use Canva to design the candle labels with their built-in templates. Then funny or unique labels tend to perform exceptionally well on Etsy, so you want to maybe try that area. Then some candle sellers have actually reported daily sales that are ranging from 5 to 15 units, which highlights this niche potential. Then number 9 is you want to generate this or that videos. So this or that videos are highly engaging content format that perform well on platforms like TikTok. 2 steps on how to create them. So you can use Canva to design video templates with options like choose your gifts, Yeah, by giving them two options, this or that. Or you can also upload graphics from Canvas library and create short interactive videos. So these simple videos can attract millions of views, which can earn you significant ad revenue. Number 10 idea is create and sell mugs. So Canva offers templates for mug designs, and these can be customized and sold on platforms like Etsy or eBay, and you can pair this with print-on-demand services like Printify to streamline your workflow. So number 11, you can create and sell self-care printables. So Etsy buyers, they love self-care resources like planners and journals. So you want to use Canvas worksheets templates to design unique self-care printables. Then you can explore creative niches like flashcards for managing anxiety. So one Etsy seller made over $3,000 selling anxiety flashcard, which is just so amazing. Then number 12 is you can create and sell custom products with templates on Canva. So you can save your time by using already made Canva templates, saving features. For example, you can do custom t-shirt or mug design and save the templates and easily update them with client specific details as you go. Number 13 is you want to create and sell classroom lessons. So teachers can use Canva to design engaging lesson slides and sell them on platforms like Teachers Pay Teachers. Canvas offer pre-made school lesson templates that kids and educators love all the time. Then number 14 is you want to create and sell patterns. Yeah, patterns really sell well and on all over print products like phones, cases, right? Canvas help these features make this easy. So you can use the magic recommendation tools to find cohesive design elements on Canva. Then you can also leverage Canva's grid feature to create seamless patterns. For 15 is create how-to pins. So how-to pins perform exceptionally well on Pinterest. So you want to use Canva to design them and link to the blog post filled with affiliate links. So these strategy can bring in thousands of dollars in affiliates commission each month. Wow, so that was a wild range of ideas. So from the quiz video ideas to printable wall ads, Canvas offer endless opportunity to make money. The best part is most of these methods will require minimal upfront investment, just a bit of creativity and time. So let me know which method you will try first in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. So if you like a deep dive into any of this topic, also let me know in the comment section and check out my detailed guide links in the description. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.